This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. Here we are. ES price action levels. Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And on the far left, Nasdaq, higher highs, but more compressed range. Middle chart, ES. The highs, not so much higher, but more compressed range, absolutely. And on the far right, King Dollar. King Dollar is not going down. Look at the lows. Higher low, highs, not so much. So, although we're hanging up, in my opinion, on the equity indices, the proportional downside that should be happening on the dollar, since we're up on the two equity indices here, the dollar is not really down. So I am looking for the dollar action to keep a price in check, at least through the half of this green candle on a closing basis. And the idea here is, can we get above 102.6 and close above it today? So that'll be important. Let's go to the smaller time frame now for the ES. I want to look at price action levels higher and below. Next chart. So I want to capture this week better. So instead of 15 minutes, I'm doing the 1 hour. So for our fair value gap overlay above it, what's above it is, of course, the January 2 new week open gap here, 48.18, 48.12.75. We've talked about this in previous videos. That's what's above. If price can close above, that means, yeah, we've got higher prices ahead. But right now, we're not able to close above with a candle body, at least on the 1 hour, on the consequent encroachment, which is 48.055 on the 4 hour light red right here. So I'm looking at this closely. You can see we've hit it here on Tuesday. Here we are Wednesday with this little small circle, and I'm going to blow this up a little bit more. The high for the afternoon prior day was right here at 48.01. So we had buy side liquidity purged right here already, right after the London Open. And you can see here London opened at 92.50, 47.92.50, and New York midnight open at 47.89. So price is really not willing to go much down below New York midnight open. Let's see what's below it. What is below it is we've got the prior day low at 47.83.75, and of course this red line is the marker for the January 2 RTH open. So right now, again, range is compressed. I'm not real enthusiastic, and that means I'm going to sit on hands at least through the AM session here, maybe do no trades at all, because what I want to do, first objective, if we've already purged buy side liquidity above on previous day PM high, I want to see PM low tagged. And so the time to do that would be RTH sometime, if it's going to do it. So that's it, short video. I'm keeping it clean and simple. Sometimes it's that way. And remember, this is the day prior to CPI, which is Thursday, tomorrow. So I'm really thinking that's the big catalyst event for the week. So price may not do a lot here. So that's all I've got. Shout out to the OG subscribers, and I want to follow up and welcome all 2024 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support of the channel. Aloha and take care.